Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, the best air fryers for you, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 air fryers. Whether you're a health-conscious foodie or just love crispy, delicious meals, these air fryers are a must-have. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer lets you enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. It's been tested against deep-fried French fries, and trust me, the results are just as crispy and delicious, but way healthier. This air fryer offers a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can do everything from gently dehydrating foods to quickly crisping up your favorite snacks. It's perfect for versatile cooking, whether you're roasting veggies or reheating leftovers. With a 4-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket, this air fryer can fit up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it perfect for family meals. The included crisper plate ensures even cooking and extra crispiness every time. The Ninja Air Fryer isn't just for frying, it's a 4-in-1 powerhouse. It includes programs for air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Yes, you can even make homemade dehydrated snacks like fruit chips or jerky. Coming in at number 4 is the COSORI 12-in-1 Air Fryer 5.8 Q2. The COSORI Air Fryer lets you save your favorite cooking settings so you can easily recreate your go-to meals. You can even add or remove a personal shake reminder to suit your cooking style. It's all about making your life easier. With AdaptIQ technology, this air fryer uses rapid 360-degree air circulation to heat food quickly and evenly. Whether you're making crispy fries or juicy chicken, you'll get perfect results every time. It's a game changer for busy households. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a 12-in-1 powerhouse. From toasting and baking to cooking steak, seafood, and even reheating leftovers, this appliance does it all. Plus, it has a keep warm function to ensure your food stays hot until you're ready to eat. The 5 and 8 quart square basket is perfect for family meals, fitting a whole 5-pound chicken or enough fries for 3 to 5 people. It's designed to make cooking for a crowd effortless. COSORI includes a chef-created cookbook with 100 delicious recipes. Plus, you can easily purchase accessories like disposable liners or an extra basket by searching the codes in the description. It's all about convenience. At number 3, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT XL Air Fryer. This air fryer isn't just for frying, it's a 6-in-1 powerhouse. You can air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat all in one appliance. Whether you're making crispy fries or baking cookies, this air fryer has you covered. With Even Crisp technology, this air fryer delivers perfectly crispy and tender results every time. The advanced airflow system ensures even cooking, so you get that golden finish on your favorite foods. The Vortex Plus comes with customizable one-touch smart programs for wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and even cinnamon buns. It's like having a chef in your kitchen, making gourmet meals effortless. This air fryer goes from frozen to golden in minutes. Its fast preheating and wide temperature range of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for quick, delicious meals any day of the week. Cleaning up is a breeze with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Plus, the compact design with stainless steel accents looks great on any countertop, combining style and function perfectly. Taking the number 2 spot is the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. The Philips Air Fryer XXL delivers 100% taste satisfaction with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside results. And the best part, it uses little to no added oil with up to 90% less fat than traditional frying. It's guilt-free indulgence at its finest. This isn't just any air fryer, it's the only one with fat removal technology. It extracts and captures excess fat, removing more fat than other air fryers. Now you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the extra grease. With a 3-pound 7-quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families. It cooks meals 4x faster than an oven, making it ideal for busy weeknights. Plus, there's no preheating needed, so you can start cooking right away. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the quick clean basket has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Dash Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer. The Dash Tasti-Crisp air fryer uses Air-Crisp technology to cook your favorite foods with 70 to 80% less fat than traditional frying. Whether it's veggies, frozen foods, or even baked goods, you can enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the guilt. This air fryer is quick and easy to use. Just load the non-stick basket, set the temperature and timer, and within minutes, you'll have perfectly crispy food. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or even RVs. It's the perfect personal air fryer for 1 to 2 people. The Dash Tasti-Crisp comes with 3 custom presets and a simple digital interface. You can choose temperatures from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set timers up to 60 minutes. Plus, it has an auto shutoff function to prevent overcooking and a cool touch handle for safety. And there you have it, the 5 best air fryers. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.